never got this from me. Just to make all of our lives easier.
Okay.
If they're 14 and under, just send them right there if they need an abortion. Okay.
As a healthcare provider, if you fail to identify and recognize this type of patient, you may very well fail to have saved their life.
About the sex work.
Okay.
So there's some other girls that we kind of manage that they kind of need help too.
Right. We see people from, every walk of life. So,
Oh, wow, yeah.
For a while we were treating, all the girls at Paper Moon and, various places around town. So,
that's good.
no judgment, no sharing of information.
Some of the girls, they're around 14, 15.
You can get birth control testing,
wow.
anything without a parent. The only thing it requires over 18, if they're a minor, is an abortion. But there's also ways of judicial bypasses we can get around that if you guys ever need it. If someone is a minor and they don't want their parents to, they have their parents' insurance, so an abortion would show up. You fill out paperwork, and we help you kind of set it up, and then we have a specific confidential hotline that will call you at whatever number you give us and handle the whole thing. So for someone who's a minor, that's a really good option. We do them probably once or twice a month here.
You never got this from me. Just to make all of our lives easier.
Okay.
If they're 14 and under, just send them right there if they need an abortion. Okay.
If I'm comfortable with you, then
exactly.
they'll
And
be
you just
comfortable
kind of.
with you.
So the whole thing is with me, we already know. I see you. We already know we're going to kind of alter the story and kind of see what we can do to kind of tweak information.
Yeah. And then a question. If it comes down that they do need an abortion, how long till they can be sexually active again?
Minimum 2 weeks.
Minimum 2 weeks.
Minimum 2 weeks.
Do you maybe have any suggestions about what else they could do in the time?
They still got money, you know?
Yeah. Waist up.
Waist up.
Waist up.
Okay.
Or just be that extra action walking by.
We're about the sex work. So we have some other girls that we manage and work with that they're going to need testing as well. So, do you guys see them?
Yeah, we see
Teen services.
Yeah. Okay, we see people as young as 13 years old. How we see people as young as 13. And everything is confidential. Because they're 14, 15. Yeah, everything is solely confidential. They can come in, make the appointments. I can give you guys the numbers. You can make the appointments over the phone. When you guys can come in and speak to one of us, then we can set up the appointments. Okay. And if any of you guys don't have insurance, we have a family planning benefit program. And mostly everybody qualifies for that.
Will you even sign off as a guardian? Is that possible?
If you were writing their support letter, yeah, you could say that you take care of them, you support them.
From the age of 12 up, for birth control, you can just come in and do that.
Just come in and do it.
You don't have to have a parent, okay?
Some way they can still get
We don't necessarily look at legal status. And
okay.
Like I said, abortion appointments do require a photo ID.
If you are tested and you're positive, your partners can come in here and they would just need to see the clinician and we could give them prescriptions. Anybody here can help you. And everything here is confidential. We can't give any information out.
14, 15, that they might need an abortion. And how is the best way? Should they be able to go about that?
They just show up and set up an appointment.